Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NFLX. Netflix, we will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, craziness going on right now with earnings now having been out. So this also brings up a little tricky part because right now the price is down here at, let's just call it the $490 mark. But of course, we have all of after hours today on Tuesday and then all of pre-market on Wednesday. So where this thing actually opens up, I'm not quite sure. But I'm just going to assume that it does open up down below that $500 mark. So because of that, that's what's going to bring about our first key level of resistance. And this is just based on foundational rule and chart in which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. Now, of course, this could all change. If all of a sudden the price decides to open up above 500, well, then that level would go back to acting as an area of support. But with the information, with the data, that I have right now, the best I can do is say, well, it's looking like the price is going to open up down below 500, which again would make that an area of resistance. But if the price does break above it, that would be an area of support at that point in time. But if the price does ultimately break back above there, the next key area of resistance after that would then be up there right around the 507 mark. So headed into Wednesday, it's looking like 500 and then 507 are going to be the initial, couple areas of resistance because of this, massive gap down now that's looking like it's going to take place. As far as levels of support, first level to watch, going to be down there at the 493 mark. So the price is technically even a little bit below there. But like I said, I'll assume that the price opens up a little bit above that area. And then the next key level of support after that, if the price does push down some more, would then be down there around the 485 mark, which is coming from way back there in mid-January. So in other words, it's been a long time since the price is looking like it's going to be down around this area, but we'll see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.